Okay, welcome back to Louie's channel. Right now, we are taking off the mufflers on Louie's 2009 Lexus ISF, and we are about to see how this car sounds with its 5-liter naturally aspirated Lexus V8.
I am having the time of my life right now.
So now what we are going to do is we are going to be getting the exhaust hangers off. This part is a little difficult, but it's not too hard. We've done it on a couple of other cars, so we'll cut back to you after these are fully off. Sounds a lot better than stock. There you go. Sounds beautiful.
So I'm filming off of my phone. My GoPro's actually dead. Sorry about that, guys. But just to give you a little bit of context from the last clip, I did take the mufflers off of the ISF just because, in my opinion, this car from factory is way too quiet. And since my car is bone stock, it just wasn't cutting it. So this will do until I get actual exhaust for the car. But I do highly recommend unbolting your muffler. Literally, guys, it's 4 hangers and 2 bolts, and your F will sound like night and day different. It's like absolutely amazing. It sounds like a true muscle car now, and the car feels just more rowdy. Yeah, pretty much in the rest of this video, I just want to give you guys some exhaust note clips of what happens and how it'll sound when you take your mufflers off compared to stock. So I'll throw up the before clips and obviously the after clips. And then also I have, you can't see them, but I have Jaden and my friend Evan. They're posted around the corner, and we're just gonna shoot some flybys just so you guys will get a better understanding of how your ISF will sound if you do decide to unbolt the mufflers. Like I said, I do highly recommend it. It is free and it's super easy to do, and your car sounds a million times better. Now, should you leave your mufflers unbolted? No. Eventually you should get some pipe welded on or just an exhaust. So this is just a temporary mod, but I do really think it's worth it. It took me 30 minutes to do. This car has so much more soul when I'm driving it, and it just feels like a lot more rowdy. So right now we're just gonna hop into the F, and we're going to get some flybys for you guys. And after the flybys, I will go ahead and rev the car a little bit just so you guys can hear the difference. But yeah, we are already in sport mode. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're gonna let the old girl cool down, but I hope that you got a better understanding of why it's worth it to unbolt the mufflers. So shout out to the homie Jaden, and shout out to Evan for taking these dope flybys in Mexico, of course. And they got their clean cars out here, Evan in his F Sport and Jaden in his F. So yeah, just leave a like on the video. Let me know what type of content that you want to see. And with all that said, take care, guys. Peace.